I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all on board. And it's great to see fintech, tech companies coming on board. It shows that the Pakistan, the industry, that tech industry in Pakistan is growing. We are proud to partner with you and welcome you on board as a sponsor. Thank you very much for your support.
Ji, welcome, Sam, and we very appreciated. Like we are very excited to be part of this PSL, and we are very honored to be part of this. We have organized and we have built almost 30 different projects, and in metaverse, in Web3, in e-commerce, in time travel as well, where people can come and generate the passive income as well. Then can come and utilize and feel the new technologies in the coming area. Actually, yeah.
That's the way forward, I think.
Exactly, yeah.
So great to see companies like this coming up, Pakistani companies coming up in this field and joining us in for the HPL PSL.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, it's not just only Pakistani company. We have been like running in this like entire. We have users from different 19 countries of the world, and we have been leading from Dubai actually.
Oh,
So
okay.
we have users from, but actually the founder is from Pakistan, and we prefer we want our own people to be empowered as well first. So yeah. We are very excited. We are very excited. We're gonna see our people like happy. We're gonna see our kids, like our youngsters, our youth, or we are targeting like कि जो हमारे youth है basically. They can come and join and try our products as well. They can also learn how to be part of technology in the coming days, and they can also generate some passive income as well from there.